What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here, and today we're going to cover the top 5 apps on Whop to streamline your guys' business. The features in these apps differs greatly, ranging from customer support to affiliate link to even tools that can help you guys with automations. What they all have in common is that they're absolute game changers, so let's go ahead and dive into the Whop's platform to see what they're all about. Now, the 5 apps that we're going to be going over are going to be affiliate links, Discord, Webhooks, help desk, and forums. For essential apps like chat, I didn't want to include in this video just because everybody uses it, so I want to talk about the tools that not a lot of people use. So let's go ahead and start with affiliate links. And if you guys are running any type of digital business, you guys probably already know the power of digital marketing. That way, having affiliate revenue is going to be crucial for you guys to scale your guys' operation. In order to create it, all we got to do is just press right over here, and let's go ahead and go to the manage app. And if we want to go ahead and create a link, all we got to do is press create link. And from here on, we can actually enter the link, the URL that we want to use, as well as the link title, description, and the location where it's going, as well as the image. And this customization is honestly one of the best parts about the platform. That way we can see what is working versus what is not, which makes it easier for us to know what to double down on and what to cut short. And that's going to be really important for us within our business journey, because all in one centralized place, we can track commissions and make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. And for the next app on our list, we got Discord. Now, in order for you guys to maximize this, you guys do need to connect your guys' own Discord to your guys' platform. And that way you can have an exclusive community within that Discord, which builds another value add for your guys' audience. In order to activate that Discord, all we gotta do is just press this carrot button right over here. Let's press manage app. You can connect your Discord right over here. And as you guys see, the roles that you guys add will be automatically added to the user after they purchase. That means that you guys can set this up in a way that nobody has access to this if they haven't purchased it. But again, you guys can set it up in different ways, so whatever floats your guys' boat. And coming in at number 3, we got webhooks. Now, webhooks are extremely powerful in getting information flowing from one place to another. That can automate so many different things, and with Whop's integration features, you guys can connect it to a CRM or Zapier. There's so much available on the table. The reason why I'm bringing this up is in the early stages, it may be simple to kind of manually update everything that you guys are doing, but as you guys scale and a lot more customers are coming through the door, we want to make sure that those actions are going to be automated, take some of the work off your guys' plate. And if you guys want to set this up, all we got to do is just press the carrot right over here, press manage app, and once we're here, press generate a copy, and you guys are going to be ready to rock to actually install your guys' webhook. And coming in at number 4 is going to be Whop's help desk. Now look, take it from me, but having your guys' support tickets in the same system where you guys are managing your guys' sales is going to be pretty important. The reason why I'm mentioning that is I've seen so many instances where the support software is in one platform and then the sales platform is in another, the marketing is on the third, and that way it causes all the customer support issues to, again, slip through the cracks. We don't know about them, and that causes a really bad customer experience. And the way we want to set it up is go right over here, the same way we did before. Let's go to settings, and from here we can customize our help desk depending on what we want it to do. So from here we can write directions on what should people open tickets about, to even creating automatic tickets. So for example, every time someone joins, an automatic ticket is created. That way this part of the process is going to be a little bit automated, so whenever someone joins, that can take some of the work off your guys' plate. And lastly, if you guys want to go ahead and add any type of form questions, all we gotta do is just press right over here, right? The issue is refund, for example. Let's press create, and boom, we are ready to have our first form question. And whenever tickets come in, you guys can go ahead and change anything you guys want here. And if you guys do want to change up some of the things we just built, just go to the settings option right over here, and you guys can go ahead and customize your guys' help desk. And for our last pick here, but definitely not the least, we got forums. And if you guys are looking to build any kind of community, this is going to be a must-have. On the forums app, there's going to be a lot of different things we can do, like host discussions, ask for feedback, and that can actually even help our SEO. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. Press right over here, manage app, and boom, check it out. We can have the banner image set up here, depending on what we want. We can select the specific post layout that we want to have here, right? 2x2 here, 4x4, right? Who can post? You can either be everybody or just admin. Same thing with who can comment, and when folks get email notifications, or even a Discord webhook, and that way everything is synced up. But once you guys got that rolling, it's pretty simple from here. All we gotta do is just press test, right? This is a test post. Boom. Let's go ahead and post here, and bam, right? I made my first post right over here. We can go ahead and like it, react to it, comment on it, and that way we can actually build a community from it. Even though this seems pretty simple, there's a lot of benefit you guys can get from just having this small little thing. This can be a really good way for you guys to learn more about your customers, or even have a way to get you guys' free customers onto the planning platform by having 2 different forums. So it kind of depends on the way you guys have your Whop set up, but that's going to be for another video. And there you guys have it. Those are the top 5 apps on Whop that I would use today to streamline my business. Remember that the utility of these apps kind of depends on your guys' business. So what may work for one person may not work for another. So if I was in your guys' shoes and I was trying to figure out which apps are going to be right fit for me, I would just dive dive deep into the platform, play around with it, and see exactly which apps are going to be the best for you guys' business. And if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself completely for free, the exclusive link for it is going to be down in the description. So if you guys do try out the platform, make sure to go through the link down below, as it tremendously helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Remember, on this channel, we make videos about different platforms and tools to help you guys start and grow your guys' business. So if you guys get some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time, peace.